in order just to have one code that's showing both desktop banners and mobile banners, we have this solution for you. First of all, you should create a publisher, a zone, and a placement of a non-standard format. Let's name it any size. Take the codes and insert them on the website you want to show your ads on. Now, on the advertiser side, you would have to create two different banners. Let's name one any size mobile and the second one any size desktop. Please note they are both non-standard as well. This is important because non-standard allows you to link any sizes to any sizes. Now, on one banner, on the any size mobile, what we have is we have targeting by device format, tablet, and mobile. This allows us only to show this banner when the traffic is coming to Epom is being sent from tablet devices or from mobile devices. Please note that this banner is linked to any size placement that I was just talking about. Another banner is any size desktop, which is very similar, of course, with the only exception being targeting to desktop. Again, device format allows you to add a device targeting, and in this case, we have desktop. This is also linked to the same placement called any size. So in this case, whenever an invocation code that you've taken from this placement is triggered, depending on the type of device the user is visiting from, he will be redirected to either any size mobile banner